watch every episode of Hey Duggee on BBC iPlayer. Oh, woof!
Duggee?
Huh?
Isn't it time for...
I can't believe we burst a tyre.
It's the weight of all this extra fromage.
Quit yapping, we made it. Finally. Let's chow some cheese and see what Duggee's up to today.
Duggee's going to do some... gardening!
Oh, woof!
Duggee! What you looking for?
Oh, woof!
Seeds? What kind of seeds?
Woof?
Let's plant them!
Oh, woof!
First, we need soil.
Oh, woof, woof!
Pop the seeds in, then add some water. Nothing's happening.
Oh, woof!
We just have to wait, Roly.
No.
I do love the changing of the seasons. It's such an inspiration for my art. Oh, the crispness of winter, the renaissance of spring, the pop of summer, and the naturalism of autumn. Wait! This has inspired me. I'll use leaves for my art. Can you guess who my portrait is of? Well, that's the body done. Now, a stick for the neck and a couple for the legs. I'll cut out a triangle of yellow card for her beak. Then 2 paper circles for eyes. Draw in the pupils. And now, using the leaves again, la touche finale. The head feathers. Can you see who we've immortalized?
Hello?
That's right. It's...
Hey!
I look wonderful. And I can move. And even walk.
my art. It's too natural. Come back, I say.
Duggee, what else do plants need?
A wolf.
Sunshine!
Uh-huh.
Yay! I hope my plant smells nice. I hope mine is pretty. I hope my plant is colourful. I hope mine looks like me. I just want my plant to be happy. It's what we all want, Norrie. Professor Jeanie's Fun Facts!
Today, some facts about the sun.
Is someone talking about me? I love when someone's talking about me.
The sun is not a planet.
I should think not. I'm a star, darling.
And it's very hot.
Hottest star in town.
Without the sun, we'd have no life at all.
Without me, there'd be no show.
No planets, no animals, no plants. Nothing at all. Can you come back now, please?
You see, I am terrifically important.
You are. And that's today's Sun Facts.
Wow! Our plants look amazing! Yeah? It smells wonderful! So pretty! I love them! Ha! It's got my ears! Wow! great. I think it's sad.
Oh, woof.
Oh. What should we do, Duggee?
Oh, woof, woof.
Talking to plants makes them happy.
Oh, woof.
Okay. Once there was a little plant. It was different from all the other plants. People didn't know how to play with the little plant, which made it feel sad and lonely. It wasn't the plant's fault. Others just hadn't met anything like it before. But once they got to know the kind and playful plant, they realised it was actually the most wonderful plant inside and out. Thank you for being my plant. Wow! Plants are amazing!
That was brilliant! The best! But the tire's still bust. When in doubt, get the cheese out! There's nothing better than cheese and...
Squirrel Club!
What's that? Oh, you want more Hey Duggee? Well, ask your grown-up to download the free BBC iPlayer app, where you can find loads more episodes. Oh, woof!